You belong up there, with all the others. So pretty, so free.
Wait! Did you see that? What if I told you that you can create magical stories like this, all in just one app? Yes, you heard that right, just one app. Stay tuned, because today I'm going to show you how to turn a simple idea into a beautiful kids' story video, from story writing, to images, to animation, and final editing, all in one place. You don't need experience in scriptwriting, no need to design characters, and no frame-by-frame recording. With just a simple story idea, you can create a complete story. AI will handle everything for you, from consistent characters to a smooth, engaging story flow. And here's the exciting part. Kids' content is one of the best niches right now. It's fun, evergreen, and always in demand. Kids love watching stories over and over again, which means more views, more engagement, and even passive income for creators. So if you've ever wanted to create something magical, creative, and meaningful, this video is for you. Let's turn imagination into reality and create our very own story video together.
Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on animation making. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends.
To create our kids' story video today, I'll be using FlexClip. FlexClip is an easy-to-use, browser-based video editor that lets you create videos without needing advanced skills. It combines powerful AI tools that can generate scripts, images, and even videos from simple text ideas. You can also use ready-made templates, add music, text, and effects, and edit everything in a simple drag-and-drop timeline. What makes it great for kids' story videos is that it helps you maintain character consistency and smooth storytelling without complicated setup. Best of all, you can do everything from idea to final video, all in one platform, saving time and effort. Step 1. Creating story. To start creating 3D animated stories in FlexClip, go to AI Tools. You'll find a variety of tools useful for creators, animators, designers, students, educators, and businesses. Since we're creating a story, select AI Video Script. You will be directed to the script generator page, where you can enter your story idea. Provide a detailed description, including the characters, the flow of the story, the events that happen, their adventure, the challenges they face, how they solve them, and how the story ends. I already prepared a short story idea, so I'll just paste it here. It's about a little girl who collects fireflies because she believes they are stars. Then click Generate. After a few seconds, FlexClip will create the storyline along with narration. Click Next to proceed, and you'll be directed to the AI text-to-video page, where you can see the full script of your story. Click Next again to go to Edit Script. Here, you'll see the scene-by-scene narration from beginning to end. You can edit or refine the lines if you want to make changes or add more details. Once you're satisfied, click Next to proceed to Media Settings. Here, we need to configure the settings. First, set the generation mode to AI image. Next, under Media Source, you'll see a variety of styles such as vector, 3D, anime, cartoon, 3D cartoon, sci-fi anime, watercolor, sketch, retro anime, and more. For this project, I'll choose 3D. Then, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 landscape. After that, select your preferred language. In this case, I'll use English. For the voice, choose a narration voice that fits your story. There are many great options available, so pick one that matches your style. Set the voice style to general and choose your preferred video caption style. Once everything is set, click Generate. Now, we're directed to the video editor. As you can see, everything is already arranged on the timeline. The visuals, narration, voiceover, background music, and captions are all in place. However, upon reviewing the visuals, you may notice some inconsistencies. Don't worry, we know how to fix that and create more consistent visuals to bring the story to life. In kids' stories, having strong visuals, consistent characters, and a smooth story flow makes the content much more engaging. So, let's go ahead and improve our visuals to make the story even better. Step 2. Generating images and video clips. Now, let's create consistent characters using our prompts. start with Scene 1 and copy the full prompt. Then, go to AI Tools and select AI Text to Image. Once you're in the AI Text to Image generator, paste the prompt for Scene 1 and start setting everything up. First, choose your model. There are many image generation models available, such as Flux to Max, Google Nano Banana, Kling Image, Google Imagen 4, Qwen Image, and more. For this project, I'll select Google Banana 2 because it produces high-quality 3D images. Next, select your desired style. You'll find a variety of options like pixel art 3D, vector, anime, line art, cartoon, and more. For this tutorial, I'll go with 3D. Then, set your image resolution. You can go up to 4000, but I'll just use 2000 since it's already good enough. Next, adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 in landscape format. Then, choose how many images you want to generate. Once everything is set, click Generate. In just a few seconds, FlexClip creates a beautiful scene image for the first part of our story. Now, let's download the image to our computer so we can use it as a reference for creating consistent visuals in the following scenes. Then, select Image to Video to turn the image into an animation. After that, you'll be redirected to the image to video generator. As you can see, the image is automatically loaded into the generator. Next, choose the video generation model you want to use to animate the image. There are many options available, including Google Veo 3.1, Grok, Minimax Hailuo, Kling, OpenAI Sora 2, ByteDance, and more. For this project, I'll be using Grok Imagine. Next is the prompt section. A well-crafted prompt plays a huge role in determining the quality of the AI-generated video. The more detailed your prompt is, the better and more realistic the animation will become. When writing your prompt, make sure to include detailed descriptions of the following: the subject, the action, the scene, camera movement, lighting, dialogue, and the visual style. These details will help the AI create smoother and more cinematic video animations. Now, if you're not confident in creating prompts, you can ask ChatGPT for help. Simply upload your image and ask, "Create a detailed text prompt for video generation. Include ambience, character actions, background, lighting, camera movement, and character dialogue." After that, click Generate, and ChatGPT will create a detailed text prompt for the motion, animation, camera movement, lighting, and overall scene. Once the detailed prompt is ready, copy it, go back to FlexClip, and paste it into the prompt section for video generation. Next, choose the duration of your video clip. After configuring all the settings, click Generate and wait for the video to be created. Once finished, preview the clip to check how it looks.
Why do the stars look so close tonight?
Did you see that? The visuals look amazing, right? This is perfect for our story. Now, let's move on to the next scene. Just copy the prompt, then go to AI Text to Image and paste the prompt for the second scene. After that, upload the reference image. This helps maintain consistent characters throughout every scene. This time, there's no need to change the settings since we already configured them earlier. Simply click Generate to create the next scene. After the image is generated, click Image to Video. Then, type or paste your video generation prompt. Remember to provide a detailed description of the subject, actions, ambience, lighting, camera movement, and dialogue to achieve better animation results. Next, select your preferred video duration and click Generate. And in just a few seconds, the video is ready. Now, continue generating images and video animations for every scene until you complete the entire story. When you're done creating your video clips, you can view all of them in the History section, where they are automatically saved.
Are you tiny stars? Why do the stars look so close? I'm glad.
Now that our video clips are ready, let's return to the video editor and add them to the project we created earlier. When you return to the Home section in FlexClip, your most recent project will appear at the top of the screen. You can also access all your saved projects in the Projects tab. To continue working on your project, just click the project you want to edit. Then, click Videos to open the video library containing the clips we created earlier. As you can see, all our video clips are already saved and ready to use. Now it's time to swap the images with the video clips we created earlier. We can't simply delete the images because they are already attached to the voiceover narration and subtitle tracks. When you delete an image directly from the timeline, the voiceover narration and captions associated with that image will also be deleted. Instead, add the video clips to the end of the timeline first. Click the plus icon on each clip to insert them into the timeline, one by one, in chronological order. After that, transfer the voiceover narration to each corresponding video clip. Repeat this process until all narration tracks are properly aligned. Then, drag the captions to match the timing and position of the video clips. As you transfer the captions and voiceover narration to the video clips, you can now start deleting the images that no longer contain any linked captions or narration. Next, arrange the captions and voiceover narration to match each video clip. Make sure the timing of the narration aligns with the scenes and adjust the duration of the captions so they appear at the correct moments in the video. Preview the video from time to time to ensure that everything is properly synced and matches the timing perfectly. Continue adjusting the voiceover narration and captions for each video clip until you reach the end of the project. Once everything is arranged, preview the entire video to make sure the timing matches perfectly.
In a quiet neighborhood where the stars twinkled above, a little girl had a magical belief. Lucy thought the fireflies were tiny stars that had fallen from the sky.
Why do the stars look so close tonight?
If you notice any errors, fix them right away. And once everything looks good, it's time to export your project. At the upper right corner of the screen, click Export, then choose your preferred resolution, frame rate, and video quality. Once everything is set, click Export to start rendering your video. Wait for the export process to finish, then save the completed video to your computer. After that, you can upload it to your favorite social media platforms, such as YouTube. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy our final video.
In a quiet neighborhood where the stars twinkled above, a little girl had a magical belief. Lucy thought the fireflies were tiny stars that had fallen from the sky.
Why do the stars look so close tonight?
Each night, she caught them and kept them shining in her jars, believing she was saving something magical. She felt proud, watching the soft glow brighten her room, filling her heart with joy. But one evening, she noticed something was wrong. The fireflies looked dim and unhappy. In that moment, she realized her mistake. These were not her stars to keep. Her heart raced as she decided to set them free, to let them return to the night sky. As they flickered into the open air, Lucy watched in awe, witnessing their true beauty.
I'm glad
She learned that true beauty shines brightest when it is free. And so, the little girl embraced the magic of nature, celebrating the stars that were always there, forever glowing. Let them fly, let them shine, for they are the stars of the night.
Go and light up the sky.
The end.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.